Hey guys, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and I'm going to be going over the HRR216VKA lawnmower with you today. Okay guys, this is the HRR216VKA mower, and it is the perfect entry-level bagger mower from Honda. If you want to have the trim bag on the back, this is the perfect introductory lawnmower. And it all starts with this little ergonomic smart drive here. And this smart drive is going to make it so you can actually sit there and set where you want your thumbs, because I know sometimes everybody's got different hands and different posture. And you can sit there and make it so it's as comfortable for you when you are actually self-propelling the lawnmower. Now this is a pull start, just simple, easy to use pull start. All of the HRR lawnmowers are going to have a 12 gauge steel deck, and these are also going to have a Versamo 3-in-1 adjustable clip director. That little trap door moves it so you can either bag, mulch, or dispatch. You can take the bag off and just dispatch out the bag without the bag. Guys, this is the perfect lawnmower for an introductory level first time homeowner. Come in, check it out here at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs on staff. All Hondas are treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work hard, play hard, Heartland Honda.